What is up? Back to the channel, boys. It's Coop, and I'm out here in the mountains. What am I doing? I'm out here to commune with the animals. Take a look. Someone is out there shooting. All right, so right now I'm about to head into the city in Vermont. I'm in Vermont. If I didn't say I'm in Vermont, I'm in Vermont, way up in the mountains. We're about to head into the city. Oh yeah, what was I doing? I'm up here communing with the animals. The moose, yes, I saw a sign for moose. The deer, and apparently like black bears or grizzlies or something like that. I'm gonna hit some trails, get some good cardio in. This driveway is steep. I can't imagine when it snows, like this whole thing, let me show you. This whole driveway is probably just covered in snow. Now I'm just thinking of using a snowblower to clean all this stuff up. But I'll take this early morning walk and go right back down, jump in the car, and I'll see you guys in the city. Well, I have a wild imagination. I'm so high up in the mountains that what if you like ran into all three animals, right? Ran into like the deer, the bear, and the moose at the same time. You know how big a moose is? I don't think you know. It's all about breathing, baby. Just breathe. Got a nice little walk in. Yeah, you ran into all three, right? And then you're just like, yo, I'm not going out like that. You do a running start and drop kick the bear, right? But the bear doesn't move. The bear is like 800 pounds. And the moose is just looking at you laughing. Like, yo, we're about to like, right? And the deer is just there because the deer's not trying to get eaten, so he's joining in. Head back down and get in the car. And the moose uses his antlers, this stuff, and the bear just gives you a right paw right into a tree. You'll be cooked. Anyway, brought the F80 out, and I'm about to see if we can spread some BMW love all over the place. I'm gonna walk back down this hill because there's a lot more trails that I'm gonna hit. I'll probably put some in this video. If not, get a nice little jog. And I'll see you guys when we hit the city. I told you I have a wild imagination. This bear story could go on for like the whole time I'm here. Let's get it, boys. right, so we've made it to the town or city of like Montpelier or something like that for my French speaking audience, if I even have one. I hope I'm right. It's Montpelier. It's like a nice little town or a city. I guess it's the city of what is this? This is like the capital of capital of Vermont. All right, so just gonna walk, take a look around. There's a dispensary on every corner. Yeah, just walk, take a look around, see what's up. They're like in the let's take a little shot of this courthouse. I don't know how old that courthouse is. I might have to look it up. Look at that movie theater. Are they still How to Train Your Dragons and Smurfs? When did the Smurfs come out?
There's a new Smurfs movie.
Oh, there's a new Smurfs movie out. Okay. Okay. Alright, I wonder what do you think the nightlife is here like? Bars? Mostly bars?
Yeah.
Yep. Mostly bars and stuff. It's nice though. Alright guys, we are in Julio's, what is it? Julio's Cantina. About to order me up some Mexican food. Let's see what's on the menu. I have to make the face too.
Super crispy, sauce is really good. Let's go.
All right, we made it to I think one of Vermont's very own Ben & Jerry's. I'm gonna walk in here and eat up all the ice cream. Let's check it out. All right, so all the flavors that I guess Ben & Jerry doesn't use. Devil's Food Chocolate, Sugar Plum, Tennessee Mud. Oh, that's crazy. Kind of like it. It's different. Peanut butter piss me up. I think this is pretty cool. Cake batter. Pina colada. Everybody has a pina colada oatmeal cookie chunk. And then we can.
Right through there? Yeah.
Is that a tower of milk ice cream? Alright, this is the entrance. I've sent my minions to do my dirty work. And then we'll have some ice cream. Alright, so the bidding was done. We got the tonight's go. Very good. Especially like waffle cones. Waffle cones are fire. Especially when it's dipped in chocolate. Yeah. Want some? I was trying to figure out the best way to end this video, seeing as how I'm only here for a couple of days. So I had to leave out some of the things that I was gonna do, like the hiking and whatnot. So I figured the best way to end this video is to talk about how this car, the F80, still performs as a cruiser and as a power-hungry animal when you just want to play around with people on the highway. Trust me, I wasn't trying to let anybody get in front of me. But as far as I can see, BMW hit the nail right on the head when it came to long distance cruising, being comfortable at the same time, and just like I said before, power hungry. So I can't say the same for the people who sat in the back or in the passenger seat, but when it comes to luggage, come with me really quick. When it comes to luggage, even though my crappy jack is back here and it kind of just makes noise, I had like 3 bags, windshield wiper fluid, my jack, all my stuff fit back here. All right, so my experience in Vermont, while this is a car video, I did enjoy my experience with Vermont. You burnt my nachos, by the way. Don't think I'm not paying attention. You burnt my nachos, and I did not appreciate that. But other than that, I love the mountain drives. Like everywhere you drive is through a mountain pass or through some rivers or through some, and that's what I was looking for in the Poconos. But I found it here in Vermont. Guys, I'm gonna end the video here before it thunderstorms. You can see the clouds. Once again, the F80 performs like I can only imagine the G80, right? I'll get my hands on one of those maybe one day. But for now, I don't think there's a reason to. This has everything. Power, cruisability, all that stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one. We're out.